Right, first up is this plush Tardis toy from Doctor Who. Now, looking at the tag, it says made in, oof, I can't quite make that out. Could be 2009 or maybe 1996. It's got a little plastic carabiner clip on it. It's not actually working at the moment, mind you. Feels like there's a squeeze activated button hidden in there somewhere, but the batteries have obviously gone dead over the years. Even though it doesn't make a sound anymore, it's still a proper cool little thing, isn't it? Next up, we've got a 10th Doctor Sonic screwdriver set, and this one is still sealed in its packaging. The box itself is in really grand condition, no proper damage or nasty defects to report. It includes the screwdriver, some type of UV ink pen, and the batteries. There is a bit of old tape residue, looks like a bit of sticky goo on the front of the plastic, but otherwise, it's a brilliant sealed 10th Doctor Sonic. Now, this is the Doctor Who Tardis string light set, brand new in the box. You get 9 feet of Tardis string lights here, which includes 10 individual little Tardis boxes on a proper long cable. The packaging is still completely sealed, so no one's gone and nicked anything out of there. Brilliant for indoor or outdoor use, apparently. Next on the pile is a Doctor Who Trivial Pursuit game. It's for ages 12 and up, made by USAopoly. It's brand new and sealed in this quirky triangular-shaped box, and it even comes with a special Doctor Who die. Not entirely sure how this version is played, to be honest. The factory tape is still intact, so it's never been opened. There are a few little dings and dents to the cardboard, but it's still a cracking piece to display on your shelf. Or, if you're feeling bold, rip it open, then have a game. Finally, we have the Doctor Who TARDIS shower curtain. This one is sealed up tight in its package. It's never been opened, and it certainly hasn't seen the inside of anyone's bathroom yet. Not much else to show on the outside here, but the plastic hang tag is still attached, and the wrapper is completely intact. The picture on the front shows you exactly what it'll look like once it's up in your own loo. A proper TARDIS shower curtain to finish us off. All of these great Doctor Who items will be auctioned off in our eBay store, Shop Alex's Garage Sale, or for sale directly at alexsgaragesale.com.